You stole my heart of gold after my silver soul. Can you dig any deeper now?
Guys, what's up? How's everybody doing? Check this out. I got to move kind of quick on this one because I got a few more coming up this week, so we got to get going. This one's a 2006 Dodge Ram 2500 SLT 5.9 liter 4x4. I'll let the image speak for the rest. Mega cab. Yep, you heard it right. Awesome, awesome truck to have. And why is it? Because it's got that extra foot of cab space right there. You can recline those rear seats like a bed. I'm sorry, you can recline like a recliner and then fold it down flat like a big twin size bed. Awesome truck. Super, super cool truck to have. A dying breed. These are harder and harder to find in good shape. And this one is a perfect example of very well kept up, tasteful mods, and just a kick ass truck to have. Start off with first a beautiful gray, metallic gray. Clear coat's you can kind of really see it. It's still got clear on it. You can see the reflection beautifully, but you know, it's showing a little bit of age, small spot right there. I'm not going to get into too many flaws because it doesn't really have that many flaws. I mean, it's a good looking truck. It really is. Runs and drives great. Tires are brand new. You can see a little bit of spots down there from obviously small scratches. Like I said, the truck's a used 2006. And man, let's focus on the truck itself because man, she's pretty. Cab lights, black housing headlights, new fog lights, your block heater right there. It's got Fox dual steering stabilizer shocks up front, rough country lift kit. It has a whole bunch of new goodies on it. Tires are probably about 80% tread. You can still see the nipples on them right there. Wheels, ATX Series wheels, and these are a what do you call it, like a slate gray to kind of match the truck almost. You can kind of see it. These are 18-inch wheel wrapped around a 35 1250 18-inch BFGOODRICH all-terrain TA tire. Super nice setup. In the front you have Fox 2.0 series shocks in the front. Okay, on the rear you have rough country. It had a previous one put a bag system on it. It's not there anymore. This truck is factory cats, but it does have a full exhaust system, or catback exhaust. So muffler and pipe, MagnaFlow, probably 5-inch, 6-inch tip. Frame's in pretty good shape. Everything looks good. The taillights, factory taillights, kind of tinted, I guess you would say. Nice receiver right there. Everything's good. Tailgate's in beautiful shape. You can see my reflection out of it. Here's the bed. It's got a bed cover, a little mat thing right there, whatever you want to call it. Let's get up here so you can see in it. The roof's in pretty decent shape, not too bad. You guys are more interested in the video, so hopefully if you enjoy the beginning. I'm not going to do too much of it because, like I said, all it has is an exhaust. So it doesn't really sound like a full-blown Cummins, but it's the mega cab that counts. And if you guys haven't seen one of these before, this is what makes it a mega cab. Oh, by the way, the interior is gorgeous. Look at that. So you can recline these seats, okay? I'll hop in. I'm going to show you. Let's see, it's hard to show you with the phone, with only holding the phone. But anyways, put the seat all the way back. That'll do. I'll just get out and show you. That's how much it reclines. I mean, look at that. Look at the room in that truck. And then you fold this up. We'll go on this side now to show you. While I'm at it, on the outside, the cap corners and everything in good shape. Well, a lot of these have like, you know, these are beat to hell, these trucks, but this one's in decent shape. It's not bad at all. And if you pull this lever all the way down into a huge flat area, you got storage spaces back here, whatever you want to carry, rifles, you can put lunch boxes in there, pack of beers. I mean, good Lord, whatever you want to throw in there, it's up to you. I'm not going to discuss that. You have to use your own imagination. Floor's in good shape up front. I gotta move kind of quick because the video's getting long. WeatherTech floor mats up front, flip up center console, NFAB tri-step rail. So for the bed of the truck, that one, for the back seat, whatever that one, for the front seat, that one. And she's just a pretty truck. Looking down the side, she's pretty, you can see it. Here's the truck right here, driver's side. Show you guys the power plant. Power seats, power driver seats, power windows, locks. There's the VIN number if you want to check it out. The door jambs are in good shape. The body right there. 157,978 maintained miles. AC blows ice cold. Four-wheel drive works great. It's got heated, aftermarket heated seats. Pioneer double DIN stereo system. Passing inspection sticker from this Dodge, directly from Safford Dodge. Safford Motors, Safford Dodge, a local Dodge dealership. All recalls done and everything else. So the original owner's manual right there too, in a sleeve. You get your Cummins formats, little Pioneer system for your stereo. And she revs up file. Turn the AC down so you can hear it. Your gauges, boost gauge, power meter gauge, trans temp. We'll go listen to it, ready? I mean, she still sounds pretty tough. You got diff covers right here. Mag high-tech diff covers. Ladder bars, traction bars, whatever you want to call them. I mean, everything's in pretty good shape. You know, there's underside of it. There's the exhaust. It's the full exhaust right there. Damn, that ground's hot. But yeah, if you guys have any questions, check it out. I'm gonna pump the hood and show this off so you can hear me. And in the video, if you guys have any questions, you can call 540-898-3025. This is for sale. It will be for a short period of time because it'll probably sell pretty quick. K&N cold air intake filter system. It's got headers or manifold, whatever you want to call it. Head studs, or not head studs, I'm sorry. Manifold. Exhaust manifold, aftermarket exhaust manifold. There's the turbo down there, K&N cold air intake system. I mean, all the fluids are clean. Look at the reservoir. It looks brand new. Everything's in great shape. Brand new batteries. This was a local trade-in too, so really nice truck. But if you have any questions about it, it will be for sale. 540-898-3025, or you can visit superiorwholesale.org. That's superiorwholesale.org. The rear also looks like cross-drilled and slotted brakes and rotors in the rear. So fairly new. A lot of new equipment on this truck. A lot. Hope you guys are doing great. Subscribe, check the video out, share it, and see you on the flip side. See ya.